Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we bring you the latest in tech with honest reviews and clear insights. If you love keeping up with new gadgets and innovations, you're in the right place. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is finally here, and this drone has already started making waves in the drone community. Every time DJI launches a new product, expectations rise, and this release is no different. The Mini series has always been about portability, convenience, and great performance packed into a lightweight body. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI has tried to take things even further, and the result is a drone that feels powerful yet easy to fly. But is it really worth the hype, and should you upgrade if you already own the Mini 3 Pro or the Mini 4 Pro? Let's find out. The first thing to talk about is what's inside this drone. DJI has equipped the Mini 5 Pro with a new 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is a major step up from its predecessor. This larger sensor improves low-light performance, enhances detail in images, and gives creators more flexibility in editing. It supports 4K video at up to 100 frames per second, and you also get 5.4K recording at 30 frames per second. That's impressive for such a small drone. For photographers, the 20-megapixel stills are sharp, clear, and vibrant, and thanks to RAW support, there's plenty of room to push your creativity further in post-production. Another upgrade is the obstacle sensing system. The Mini 5 Pro now comes with omnidirectional obstacle detection. Previous Mini models had limitations in this area, but with sensors on the front, back, sides, top, and bottom, flying becomes safer and more reliable. This not only helps beginners feel more confident but also lets experienced pilots push the drone into tighter spaces without worrying too much about collisions. When you hold the Mini 5 Pro, you can immediately feel the refinement in design. DJI has kept it under 249 grams, which means you can fly it without needing registration in many regions. That's a big advantage for casual users and travelers. Despite its lightweight body, the build quality feels premium. The arms fold neatly, making it super portable, and the redesigned gimbal protector offers better protection for the camera. The overall design is sleek, aerodynamic, and practical, staying true to the Mini family's DNA but with small touches that show DJI is paying attention to detail. The display experience has also improved if you're using the DJI RC2 controller, which comes with a bright built-in screen. It offers a smooth, responsive interface and makes flying much more convenient since you don't need to attach your phone. The live feed from the drone looks crisp, and with upgraded transmission technology, you can get a stable 1080p live view even when flying far from you. DJI has boosted the transmission range as well, giving you reliable video up to 20 kilometers under ideal conditions. Performance is where the Mini 5 Pro really starts to shine. The flight stability is excellent, even in moderate winds. DJI says the drone can handle up to level 6 wind resistance, and in real-world use, it feels steady and responsive. The motors are more efficient, giving smoother control, and the new flight algorithms make it easier to stop precisely where you want. The maximum flight speed is still 16 meters per second in sport mode, but the way it accelerates feels slightly more refined compared to earlier models. On the software side, DJI has added features that creators will appreciate. The ActiveTrack 6.0 system is better at following subjects smoothly, even in tricky environments. Mastershots and quickshots have been refined, making it easier to get cinematic footage without much effort. The new Waypoint Flight feature, which many pilots have been waiting for, allows you to pre-plan flight paths and repeat them for consistent shots. This is a game-changer for content creators who want to capture complex movements without manually controlling the drone every time. Battery life is another key factor, and the Mini 5 Pro does not disappoint. With the standard battery, you get up to 34 minutes of flight time, which is good enough for most users. If you opt for the Plus battery, which is slightly heavier, you can push it to around 47 minutes. Having that much airtime on a compact drone is impressive. Charging is also fairly quick, and with DJI's charging hub, you can keep multiple batteries ready to go, which is great for longer show. Outing sessions. Flying the Mini 5 Pro is a smooth experience. The controls feel natural, and the drone is quick to respond to your inputs. Beginners will appreciate the safety features like obstacle avoidance and return to home, while professionals will enjoy the stability and camera quality. The drone hovers in place with impressive precision, even when there's a light breeze. The GPS locks quickly, and the new transmission system makes sure the connection between drone and controller remains stable. Flying it feels both fun and reliable, and that's exactly what you want in a drone. Connectivity has also improved. With O4 transmission technology, you get a stronger and clearer signal, reducing interference and giving you more confidence when flying long distances. The connection between the drone and the controller feels solid, and the live feed stays smooth with minimal lag. When it comes to price, the Mini 5 Pro sits higher than the Mini 3 Pro and the Mini 4 Pro. The standard package starts at around $899, and if you go for the Fly More combo or the package with the DJI RC2 controller, the price increases. While it's not the cheapest option, you need to look at the value it offers. With the larger sensor, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and advanced features like waypoint flight, it feels like a mini drone with pro-level capabilities. For travelers, vloggers, and creators who want something lightweight but powerful, the price feels justified. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, starting with the positives. The camera upgrade is huge. A 1-inch sensor on a sub-250-gram drone is impressive and puts it ahead of most competitors. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance makes flying safer, especially for beginners. The improved transmission and long battery life add to the overall reliability. Features like waypoint flight, Active Track 6.0, and quick shots make capturing creative content simple and effective. And of course, the portability means you can carry it anywhere without hassle. On the downside, the price may be a barrier for some users, especially beginners who are just starting out. While the standard battery gives you 34 minutes of flight time, you'll want multiple batteries for longer sessions, which adds to the cost. Also, while the drone is very capable, it may feel like too much for casual flyers who just want a simple drone for occasional use. Lastly, though the larger sensor is great, low-light performance, while improved, still won't match larger drones like the Air 3 or Mavic 3 series. That wraps up our review of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. At Tap Tech, we aim to give you clear and honest insights so you can make the best choice for your tech needs. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we bring you the latest tech made simple. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates, and we'll see you in the next one.